I'm Tanya Blunden from Words to Grow Speech Pathology. Today, I'd like to show you some hands-on visual tools that I love to use in my practice to teach story structure. I had the privilege of learning about these multisensory tools from their creator, Mary Ellen Morrow of Mindwing Concepts. This is the Story Grammar Marker. The Story Grammar Marker is a fun and engaging way to teach narrative structure to students using removable symbols, which represents the key components of story structure. These symbols provide a much more detailed scaffolding for story structure than the traditional 3 boxes for beginning, middle, and end. This part of the Story Grammar Marker represents the beginning of a story. Here we have the middle components, and at the end we have these components. Brady, the story braid puppet, uses the same symbols as the Story Grammar Marker, but the added advantage is that you can change what the character looks like. You can also change the facial expressions at various parts throughout the story to show what the character is feeling about the situation. Preschool-aged children and those in the foundational years of schooling love the interactive nature of the Brady doll. I'd now like to show you an example of how I might retell a story using the Story Grammar Marker. The story I'll be retelling is called The Paper Bag Princess by Robert Munch. Elizabeth was a princess who lived in a kingdom with a castle. One day, a dragon came along and ate the whole castle, burnt all of the royal possessions, and carried off her beloved Prince Ronald. Elizabeth felt devastated, but she was also brave. She planned to rescue the prince by tricking the dragon. First, she dressed herself in a paper bag. Next, she found the dragon's cave. Then she knocked on the door. After that, she tricked the dragon. And finally, she was able to rescue Prince Ronald. Elizabeth felt elated at first, but after Prince Ronald's confusing response to her heroic efforts, Elizabeth decided that maybe she didn't want to marry Prince Ronald after all. If you'd like more information about the Story Grammar Marker or Brady doll, please visit the website www.wordstogrow.com.au or attend one of our up-and-coming workshops. We'd love to see you there.